Hi, teacher. My name is Christian Camelo, and this is my proposal. This proposal is designed for high school students. We have an implicit critical vision, since through this they will be able to develop the critical thinking and give their opinions or devise from their perspective. The theme of this proposal is focused on what human rights and justice here, where students will discuss their different points of view and activities could be developed. This protocol is developed throughout in favor of multimodal literacy. Since throughout this we will be able to reach students, and by this being will be able to charter their attention and get them to build their learning. Now, in the attention getter, here we want to achieve is how to simulate critical literacy in high school students through visual aids such as technology, readings, and external opinions. This way, this thesis of this proposal as critical literacy could be involved in different critical ways, such as reading and description of videos, and also opinions in which high school students, where they have the opportunity to give the opinion of view of different topics, contributing areas on conclusions about human rights and duties. Now, in the first session, argumentation of the main human rights and duties, in which we must read and analyze some points of view, arguing what are the pros and cons. In this aspect, students develop visual aids and will be able to recognize vocabulary that allows them propose the areas. A question will ask to the students to arouse their curiosity to define an human eh, and human rights and duties are what they propose to do them in best way. Now, in the second vision, this will be a stage of reading or students will be developed this skill in an active of reflective as asking questions and understanding the text related that human rights and duties. The questions are, what was the human right and human duty that most caught your attention and why? Which which one would you change? Why? Which one do you add? Why? Which one you didn't like? Why? How do you think they help society? That the students will be able to reflect of their points of view, critically understanding or and question opinions of their peers. In this part, you will develop a hearing or oral expression activity in which students throughout think work to able to analyze and write their opinions of view of human rights and decide, sharing and giving their option respect to the points of view other groups. Now, in the third, in the third, in the third session, each group must present themselves in front of the other groups, explaining the dramatizing their main points of duties, so that they other classmates and give their courage and respectful opinion about their agreement of disagreement. They can also ask them questions, developing critical analyzing if required. And finally, they must develop two small reflections to end the class throughout a general conclusion and developing critical reflecting thinking skills as well critical literacy, which can be developed in any subject. Thanks.